Hello students, welcome to this video. Today our topic is on the concept of nucleoside and nucleotide. I hope the basic is very clear to everyone because it is very easy from the name itself. So with this table which I am going to show you today, it will be more easy for you, right? So see this table. There are three columns: nitrogenous base, nucleoside and nucleotide. So tell me, from nitrogenous base to nucleoside, which thing you need to add? You have to add sugar. We have to add sugar. So nucleoside has nitrogenous base plus sugar, N for nitrogenous base, S for sugar, right? So easy from the name. Then from nucleoside to nucleotide, what is to be added? We add phosphate, right? So coming to the first column, nitrogenous bases, purines and pyrimidines. First two, adenine and guanine, are purines. Next three, cytosine, uracil, thymine, are pyrimidines. Be careful, THY, thymine is a pyrimidine, but THIA, thiamine, is vitamin. It is vitamin B1, right? Be careful with the spellings. Then the second column, that is the name of nucleoside. So what is the name of nucleoside for purines? For purines, you add sine in the end. So adenine becomes adenosine, guanine becomes guanosine, right? And for pyrimidines, you add dene in the end. Pyrimidine, so you add dene in the end. So cytosine becomes cytidine, uracil becomes uridine, thymine becomes thymidine, right? Coming to the third column, here we have to add phosphate in the nucleoside. So this is monophosphate or diphosphate or triphosphate. For all of them, this way you can make monophosphate, diphosphate and triphosphate. But now tell me one thing. What is the full form of nucleotide? In the full form of nucleotide, what will you use? You will use the name of nucleoside or you will use the name of nitrogenous base. Yes, for example, AMP. What is the full form of AMP? It is adenine monophosphate or adenosine monophosphate? Yes, it is adenosine monophosphate. So for the full form of nucleotide, you have to use the name of nucleoside, right? So GMP will be guanosine monophosphate, CTP will be cytidine triphosphate, UDP will be uridine diphosphate, TMP will be thymidine monophosphate, right? This way. Now one more thing in the end, all these are present in DNA and RNA, but uracil is only in RNA and not in DNA. Thymine is only in DNA and not in RNA, right? This is it with this chart.